Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Star, star,
Star.
triangle,
Triangle.
triangle,
Triangle.
trapezium,
Trapezium.
trapezium,
Trapezium.
square,
Square.
square,
Square.
pentagon,
Pentagon.
pentagon,
Pentagon.
semicircle, semicircle.
Circle.
Let's learn some colors. Purple color, pink color, blue color, green color, sky blue color, orange color, orange color, star, sky blue color, triangle,
Triangle.
yellow color, trapezium,
Yum, yum, yum.
green color, square, pink color, pentagon,
Pentagon.
black color,
Black color.
semicircle,
Semicircle.
orange color, star,
Star.
sky blue color, triangle, yellow color, trapezium, green color, square, pink color, pentagon, black color, semicircle. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you.